Yes, what you read in the poster, read correctly. In our childhood, we learned the use of article a and the quite correctly, but in incorrect way. Confused? Let's start learning article in proper way. But before going to the main topic, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel to get latest videos on modern grammar and press the bell icon to get notification fast. Today we discuss some common mistakes in placing a and an. And at the same time, we discuss actual rules of placing a and. First mistake. We mix up vowel alphabet with vowel sound. We generally place an before a word starting with vowel, that means A, E, I, O, U. But this is the wrong concept. For example, the word hour takes an before it, but the word hour starts with H, which is a consonant. Secondly, a phrase one idea takes A before it, but the word one, the first alphabet O, is a vowel. So I think it is clear that AM do not depend on vowel alphabet, that is A, E, I, O, U. It depends on vowel sound. It means a word takes whether A or an, it depends on the word's first sound. If the first sound of a word is a vowel sound, the word takes an before it. As example, onion, egg, umbrella, hour. All the words take an before it because the words start with a vowel sound. But if a word starts with a consonant sound, the word takes A before it. As example, dog, pot, mango, bottle. All the words take A before it because the words start with a consonant sound. Now the question is, what are the vowel sounds? Are A, E, I, O, U vowel sounds? And the answer is no. A, E, I, O, U are not vowel sounds. They are called vowel alphabets, not sounds. So, to understand vowel sounds, watch the video till the end. In Bengali language, there are 11 vowel alphabets. They are also known as vowel sounds. They are O, A, Hoshoi, Dirghoi, Hoshou, Dirghou, A, Oi, O, O, and Ri. The vowel sounds are same as written vowel alphabets. Likewise in Hindi, there are 11 vowel alphabets. They are also known as vowel sounds. They are O, A, Chotai, Badai, Chotau, Badau, Ri, A, Oi, O, and Au. Again, like Bengali, the vowel sounds are same as written vowel alphabets. But in English, there are 5 vowel alphabets, of which 20 vowel sounds. Vowel alphabets are in number 5 and vowel sounds are in number 20. Vowel alphabets are A, E, I, O, U, and vowel sounds are given in the screen. They are known as IPA symbols, International Phonetic Association. English vowel sounds are same like Bengali and Hindi. Only 2 or 3 variations are there. Okay, let's understand with an example. Here is the word eagle. The word eagle starts with a vowel sound E, which is a long E. You can see in the screen Hindi alphabet E, long E, Bengali alphabet and sound dirgha E, and English symbol and sound long E. And that's why the word eagle takes an before it. Second mistake. Before few certain words starting with vowel sound, we use A instead of an. Example: university, European. Both the words start with a vowel sound, but the words take A before it. For this, we learned an explanation from our teacher, and the explanation is: if U is pronounced as U, or if E is pronounced as E, A is used before the word instead of an. That is the explanation of our teachers, but this is a wrong idea. Actually, there is a reason in placing A before that very word. If a word is pronounced with double vowel sounds, that means if a word starts with a double vowel sounds, A is used before that very word. For example, the word university and European starts with double vowel sounds. In Bengali, it is E-U. In Hindi, it is short E and short U. In English, it is short E and short U. And that's why university and European take A before it. Third mistake. We often confuse in placing AN before a word having abbreviation as MLA, BA, LLB, MA, CPIM, BJP, IT, etc. In such case, that means in abbreviate word, one should utter the first alphabet, and depending on the first sound of the first alphabet, AN will be used. Let's understand with an example. The word MLA, the first alphabet is M, and the pronunciation of the first alphabet starts with M, A, and A is a vowel sound, and that's why MLA takes an before it. But for the word CPIM, the first alphabet is C, and in utterance of the first alphabet, we utter C, saw, that means consonant, and that's why CPIM takes A before it. These are the actual steps to use AN before a word. If the video is helpful to you, please like, share and comment. Thank you.